Australia, they need very big machines. In India, only small machines goes. Then France needs a different type of machine. Africa needs a different type of machine. So because of different demand coming from different sector, automatically there is more development. And today we have a range of 24 machines. So we can cater to any customer in the world. If comes now, one of our machine will be definitely suitable to them. Then of course there were good profits in exports that we could reinvest in creating a world-class infrastructure. We could invest in marketing, we could invest in manufacturing setup. So once you start exporting, वो लकड़हारे के जैसे अच्छे दिन आ गए, वैसे तुम्हारे भी अच्छे दिन आ जाते हैं. Exports are normally with letter of credit or you get an advance money. We don't sell our machine in credit at all because we don't know the customer. Customer is also not expecting you to sell machine at a credit. So most of the time you get money in advance, and therefore your cash flow is very good. And because your cash flow is very good, there are inherent advantages. You are not dependent on banking system for survival of your unit. There is a healthy competition, and there is a competition for improving the machine. There is no competition for undercutting the machine, but there is a competition for improving the specification, and that helps you to upgrade your machines. Of course, there is no excise, there is no VAT on exports, and because there is no excise, there is no VAT, and everything is number one. A lot of headaches are reduced. Central government also gives a lot of incentives for the exports. There is a 1.5% duty drawback. Then excise and VAT on the raw material is refunded totally. There is a focus product scheme. There is a focus country scheme. There is a marketing development scheme. This all benefit put together gives you about 2 to 3% of your turnover as a bonus. And your Prime Minister of this country is partner in your factory actually. He is responsible for appreciation of dollar, and you keep on getting more. Therefore, we should call him as a partner in your factory. Without giving lot of dividends. Then nothing that exports, the moment you start exporting, the environment in your factory automatically changes actually. You don't have to do anything to motivate the people actually. There cannot be any great motivation in India. Giving a foreign tour to a person is one of the biggest motivation we have seen. It works extremely well. हमारे फैक्ट्री में हम सीधा कह देते हैं हमारे कारीगर को कि भैया इफ यू रीच दिस स्टैंडर्ड यू विल बी एलिजिबल टू गोइंग टू फॉरेन फॉर फिक्सिंग द मशीन. आपको इलेक्ट्रिकल की माहिती चाहिए, आपको मैकेनिकल की माहिती चाहिए, आपको फिटिंग की माहिती चाहिए, आपको प्रोसेस की माहिती चाहिए. ये सब जब तक इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास नहीं होगी, इफ यू आर नॉट एक्सपर्ट इन दिस, यू कैनॉट गो आउट.